I'd like to see more lawyers putting out video content on their strategies and what they see often, and how the process looks from their perspective. Different counties. Like, I think lawyers in every county, you should be able to Google Josephine County, Oregon restraining order hearing, and there should be a lawyer saying, okay, this is how this courthouse does it. You go to court on such and such day of the week or such and such time. You apply, the judge calls you, because every court does it differently, but it's like a mystery. We got it. Lawyers, that's why it looks almost like Gnostic priesthood, because lawyers have value because they decipher the mysteries. And that's because of a system that's created to give people fair process, due process, but there's not a system of making process literacy. So the process exists, the words exist, the book is here, all the answers are there, but you don't know how to read. Or you maybe know how to read, but you don't have time to read a treatise on evidence before Monday. Exactly. And I think that's another reason that ChatGPT and Grok and all those AI programs that people are using are getting a bad rap in law right now. Lawyers are using hallucinated cases. They're not site checking. Again, that's a systems problem. They didn't have the time to do it because they didn't have a proper system in place. And judges are complaining a lot that people are coming into trial reading these AI generated slop scripts that mischaracterize the law. And that's because this tool is being misused. Somebody is using a hammer instead of a shovel, and maybe it makes a dent in the ground, something that resembles a hole, but the dirt's still there. It's just hard and more compact. And I think we need to maybe train pro se litigants on how to leverage ChatGPT, like how to describe your problem and ask some questions like, all right, this is what happened. Is this relevant in a Oregon restraining order case? And then have a conversation, a brainstorming session. It's always got to be, you can't trust it unless a lawyer signs on, but man, they got nothing else. I mean, they're turning to whatever they can find for help. So why aren't we teaching pro se litigants on how to leverage AI to prep for trial?